As of December 15th, 2025, Meta has officially shut down or discontinued the Facebook Messenger desktop app for both macOS and Windows. If you try to open the app now, you are redirected straight to the Facebook website or messenger.com to continue your conversations. While this change has been unsettling for a lot of users, there is still a way to use Messenger like a standalone app, and that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through. The first option is using the Firefox browser. In that case, open Firefox, then type messenger.com into the address bar. Hit enter, and once the page loads, log into your account. At the top in the address bar, you click the Add tab to taskbar icon, which is a rectangle with a down arrow next to the zoom controls. So clicking on this will then open Messenger in its own standalone window. From there, you can pin it to your taskbar, either by accepting the prompt or by right-clicking the icon on the taskbar and selecting Pin to Taskbar. The only downside with this method is that it doesn't support audio or video calls, which brings us to the second option, and that is using Chrome browser. So open Chrome, type messenger.com in the address bar and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you click the three dots at the top right corner of the browser, scroll down and select Cast, Save and Share. From there, choose Install Page as App, then confirm by clicking Install. This will then create a standalone Messenger app icon, which you can also pin to your taskbar if you'd like. The advantage with this is that it supports both audio and video calls, making it the closest experience to the original Messenger desktop app.